Hey, good morning, Saginaw Bay fishermen, fisherwomen. This is meteorologist Mark Torregrossa with Michigan Meteorological Services. Saginaw Bay weather forecast for Wednesday, February 26th, brought to you by Frank's Great Outdoors in Linwood. Figured we'd start with the wind, and I'm going to just keep giving you the weather until you tell me not to, and you decide whether the ice is safe for you. But let's start with the wind, and there is some good news in the wind because we're getting some lighter wind situations. So this is the wind forecast for this afternoon and this evening. And anytime you don't see the blue, it's less than 10 miles an hour. And we'll call that the lighter wind on Saginaw Bay. This is tomorrow morning, less than 10 miles an hour. Tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening picks up a touch out of the northwest. We'll call it 12 to 20 miles an hour. Friday morning, that's Sunrise Friday, could be a very light wind. And then Friday afternoon and evening, the winds this weekend, Saturday morning, pretty robust. Through Saturday, Sunday, a lighter wind. This is midday Sunday. So take it day by day, but you will have some 6-hour windows where you won't have a lot of wind. Precipitation-wise, should be dry today, a little light rain or light snow activity tonight, and this is tomorrow, light, periods of rain or snow, nothing that's really significant. And the Friday storm system basically misses us with the snow to the north. This is total snowfall next 2 days, little if any. All right, now bigger picture. We're going into a stormy pattern in March that should signify to you swirling winds, melting ice, danger. And I'm not saying you can't do it, but you got to know what you're doing with the weather and where you're going. So this is Friday, and it's a rain shower situation, fairly light, turning to snow showers Friday night, Saturday morning on the colder winds, leads us to the Sunday that looks colder with a light wind. So if the ice is still safe for you wherever you go, Sunday could be a prime day. And then next week, we watch alarm storm system probably heading our way Wednesday or Thursday. Hard to say if it's rain or snow, but the point is this would have stiff winds, this would have heavy amounts of moisture, and it can be a dangerous situation as we break up the ice. So, the ice's days are numbered because we're 40 again today. We're in the low 40s tomorrow in the afternoon. We're in the low to mid 40s on Friday. We get cold for Saturday and Sunday, just retain a little ice. Then we're back to 40 on Monday. We're in the 40s on Tuesday. Storm system Wednesday, who knows what happens. And behind it, it looks like 3 or 4 cold days. Probably not enough at this time of the year to send the momentum back toward building ice, because after that, now bear in mind, this is one run of the European model, so don't take it verbatim, but look what it does March 10th. Is that possible? Yes. Is that something I would bank on? No. But the point is, the air is there, warm enough to the south, that at some point in mid-March, the ice is going to go all bye-bye, and then you get out the boat, right? Okay, so there's your Saginaw Bay weather forecast. Main stories here is we do have a couple of light wind periods. We have the 40s and the 50s starting to eat away at the ice, and you got to start to decide whether you want to ice fish or boat fish. Take care. This is Michigan Meteorological Services owner, Mark Torregrossa, and this is the Saginaw Bay weather forecast brought to you by Frank's Great Outdoors in Linwood. Take care.